Hello everyone, my name is Peter G, one of the co-developers of ObeEnd, and I'm here to provide a comprehensive overview for the product. ObeEnd is the world's first smart wristband that uses targeted electrical stimulation to control the user's diet, while also offering various fitness tracking features with the goal to keep its users active and sustain a healthier lifestyle. ObeEnd has a number of unique features embedded in its design, including the HD touchscreen that controls all of the device's functions, the dual electrodes that are embedded within the wrist strap that provide targeted electrical stimulation, the built-in real-time heart rate monitor, the custom USB charging port that allow users to charge the device through any outlet or laptop, and of course the hypoallergenic silicone material from which the device is made. We made sure to keep our user manual concise and comprehensive so that users will have easy access to all of the features that ObeEnd has to offer. Users may treat ObeEnd just like the watch they would wear every single day. Main functions of ObeEnd include targeted electrical stimulation, fitness tracking, step counting, heart rate monitoring, and sedentary reminder. We hope ObeEnd will help users achieve a healthier lifestyle with its innovative design and user-friendly features. That wraps up this overview. I'd like to thank you for your time and your consideration.